If you're involved in digital marketing or SEO, there's a new player in town, SearchGPT. Launched by OpenAI in mid-2024, it's a conversational search tool built into ChatGPT designed to fetch answers, not just link lists. Let's walk through how SearchGPT differs from Google Search and what it means for your content strategy. 1. How they present information. Google Search works the way you're used to. You type keywords, and it returns a mix of web links, local listings, ads, and snippets. It's all structured, with clear signals like titles, tags, and backlinks. SearchGPT, on the other hand, gives you direct answers, delivered conversationally. No multiple links to visit. The tool synthesizes and summarizes content, often citing its sources inline for transparency. 2. Intent versus keywords. Google still revolves around keywords, meta tags, and structured on-page optimization, page titles, H1S, alt text, and internal links. That means SEO is still very much about keyword strategy and authoritative backlinks. SearchGPT, however, focuses more on intent and context. It analyzes entire documents to understand meaning, not just keyword density. That means your content needs to answer questions directly and contextually, not just rank high for specific terms. 3. Measures of authority. In Google's world, backlinks are king. The more high-quality sites linking to your page, the more trusted it becomes. SearchGPT relies on digital consensus as content from forums, social media, reviews, and newsfeeds that show real-world discussion and relevance, not just formal citations. 4. Source coverage. Google curates results based on its own algorithm and indexing, primarily rewarding optimized and trusted websites. SearchGPT draws from a much broader pool of forums, reviews, social posts, news articles, user-generated content, providing a wider view of sentiment and relevance. 5. User experience. With Google, your search typically ends in a click-through to an external site. It's transactional, find what you need and go. SearchGPT keeps you engaged in the conversation. It summarizes insights within the interface itself and allows follow-up questions, essentially offering a more seamless conversational search experience. 6. Paid opportunities. Google ads exist and they're powerful. Local ads, maps, shopping results, and targeted campaigns you can control. SearchGPT, for now, doesn't offer paid placements. You can't boost visibility via ads. That means visibility depends purely on content quality and authenticity. 7. Answer engine optimization (AEO) versus traditional SEO. Google still uses traditional SEO keywords, on-page structure, backlinks, and ranking signals. SearchGPT shifts the focus to AEO, answer engine optimization. It rewards content that inherently answers questions, delivers structured, trustworthy information, and is easy for AI to parse and quote. 8. Analytics and tracking. Google has a mature ecosystem: Google Analytics, Search Console, paid ad metrics, letting marketers track what's driving traffic, where conversions come from, and how visibility changes. SearchGPT doesn't yet offer analytics. That means measuring impact is harder. You won't instantly know how it's contributing to traffic or leads. 9. Looking ahead. Both platforms value relevance, authority, and user satisfaction, but for different reasons. Google relies on structure, signals, and links. SearchGPT is all about delivering straightforward, relevant answers in a conversational flow. The smart strategy? Craft content that works for both. Clear, structured SEO for Google. Honest, conversational, question-answering content for SearchGPT. It's no longer just about ranking, it's about being understood. Want to future-proof your content strategy for both search ecosystems? Reach out to IndeedSEO. We're already helping brands optimize not just for Google, but for evolving platforms like SearchGPT with strategies that balance traditional SEO and AI-driven answer visibility. Let's make sure your content is both found and understood, no matter how users choose to search.